Okay, guys, I'm running late recording this video. My mom's appointment took forever, but let's get right to it. Okay, so the first one, we want to get x alone. So we're going to put the variables on one side. So I'm going to plus 0.03 plus 0.03. Then I get 0.05x. Plus 0.7 equals 0.8. Minus 0.7 minus 0.7. And then I have 0.05x equals 0.1. Guys, do this on a calculator. You may think you know it, but that's how you're missing these questions. So 0.1 divided by, let's get our little thing right here, divided by 0.05, and the answer is 2. So let's put a 2 there. X equals 2. I did divided by 0.05, divided by 0.05. So my answer is 2. This next one was one that I showed you in class. This setup is what is really good. I'm sitting outside. I've got my hat on because it's a little bit cold. I just got a little bit chilled. Okay, 45.5 plus 17 per minute equals 425 minus 11.5 per minute. And then you plus 11.5 plus 11.5. Again, this problem isn't correct. I did this in class, but at least you get the gist of solving it. Plus 28.5 equals 425 minus 45.5 minus 45.5. It's 28.5. Oh, this is an M. Sorry, M. I drop my M's a lot. M equals 425 minus 45.5, 379.5, 379.5 divided by 28.5. It ends up M equals 13.31. That answer is not over here, but this is what the answer ends up being. But this was a good setup for you to see. Okay, this sets up as, it doesn't matter what you do. You guys can't really see that these were negative. So I think some of you, but it ends up being the same either way. So 3x plus 6 equals 2x minus 6. So we go minus 2x minus 2x, x equals, and then we go minus 6 minus 6. So we have x equals a negative 12, or if you wrote it 3x plus 6 equals 2x plus 6, then this is going to be minus 6 minus 6 minus 2x minus 2x, x equals 0. So either way is fine. It doesn't matter. It's getting the practice of setting this up and solving. And that's what I want you to do. Again, I did this one in class. It's just, it's not right. I don't know why these are wrong. So I'm just copying that. Oops, I copied it wrong. Always check if you copied it right. Minus 16. Okay. So we do minus 10, minus 10, minus 5x, minus 5x. I'm doing a shortcut. I'm doing it all in one step. Negative 2x equals negative 26. Divide by negative 2. Divide by negative 2. The answer is x equals 13. There is no 13, so we chose 12. Okay, moving on. I think that's all of the ones that were wrong. So let's move on. Minus 2, minus 2, minus 4p, minus 4p. So we get 4p equals negative 12, and p equals negative 3, because we divide by 4, divide by 4, right? Does that look right? I think so. Okay, below is an inequality that represents the situation. If you read through them all, like some of them stand out. See how that has 12 cents and 20 cents? That would have to say 0.20, and it's or 0.12, and it doesn't say 0.12. So you can get rid of that one right away. Woo, after a 4-mile marker, Woo stops to rest every 22 miles. What does stopping to rest have to do with plus 22? This one's easy to do. Then when you get down here, Sasha deposits $4, adds 22 every week. Okay, that's good. And then $12 and adds 12 every 2 weeks. And then we have 20 here. We don't have a 10. So that doesn't work. So that leaves that one left to work. Here's another one. You kind of just read it like this first one. It says a constant rate, 7 miles. Okay, that's good. Ran 10 miles, okay, per hour. So there's your X. But then it says that in a race and started at the 1 mile. So Candace started at the 1 mile. So the 1 would have to be over here. So that doesn't work. Then we have this 8.1. Well, there's not even an 8 in there, so that doesn't work. And then you have this percentage. Again, when you have percent, you would have to have a 0.01. That would be the same as 1%. So that doesn't work. So by elimination, D is it. This one, all they're asking you to do is complete the equation to find X. Okay? So what would go here? Rhonda bought 5 shirts and had $10 left. So 5X, this one, right there. Guys, write this down. If you're not writing this down, this is exactly how it's going to be on the test, where you're going to be, oops, I didn't mean to open that, where you're going to be pulling down the right answers. And then over here, she bought 3 shirts. We don't know how much the shirts cost, and had $24 left. So there you go. That's going to help you find out the cost of the shirts. Okay, let's find P. Let's plus 1, minus 2, minus 2. We have 3P equals 21. 21, right? Divide by 3, P equals 7. Okay, let's go to the next one. First, we have to write it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? 7x. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Plus 9 equals 2x plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, minus 2x, that gives us 5x. Minus 9 equals 5. Divide by 5, x equals 1. See? Which inequality can be represented by this? Okay, so Greg had $50 in his savings. He deposits 20 each week. His sister Lauren opened up an account today and will deposit 25 in the account each week. How many weeks will it take for Greg to have more money saved than Lauren? Okay, that's a possibility. Well, no, for Greg to have more. So wait, this is Greg. This is Lauren in this case. Well, that says less than. So it's definitely not that one. Greg has $50 in his savings. Okay. He deposits 20 into the account each week. His sister Lauren opens an account and we'll put in $25 in the account every single week. Okay? How many weeks will it take for Lauren to have more money? Yes, that one is it. But let's double check these other ones. Greg saves 20 each week. That 20 each week to put into his savings account at the bank. His sister Lauren saved $50 and we'll say 25. Well, the 50 is not with the 25, so it's not that one. Greg has saved $50 and plans to save 25 each week. Well, the 25 isn't with the 50, so it's not that one. So B it is. Okay, moving on. Solve the equation. We want to go in order. So the first thing you're going to do is combine like terms. This gets combined with this. So 10 minus 1 is 9. Oh, there it is. 9 minus 11 is negative 2. There it is. And then on this side, well, I mean, this is the longest one too. So there it is. 9p minus 2 equals 10p minus 2. Right? Yes. Okay. What's our second step? Well, if we move the p over here, minus 10. So let's see. Minus 2, minus 2. So, whoa, wait. So then, this is a negative 10. This is a negative 10p because negative and negative. So that way we go plus 10, plus 10. So now we have 19p, right? Plus 10, 19p. Oh, wow. The second step, this is a typo. That should have been 19. Oh, well, minus 2 equals negative 2. Okay, then the next step, plus 2, 19p equals 0. And the last step is x or p. See, that should be a p. Boy, you know what happened? I was making this for you guys, and the Cowboys were winning or were losing like crazy, and I just didn't do a good job of it. But there it is. Plus, this gives you the gist of there's a question on the test where you have to put the steps in order. Okay? Okay, good talk. This is just writing the equation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5x plus 1 equals 3x plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 5. And on the test, it's a drag and drop. You just drag this here, drag this here, drag this here. Anyways, I was trying to assimilate the test for you. Okay, combine like terms. Here and here would give us 4x squared, so we can take those out. And then this would give us 14x. Okay, wait, there's the answer. Don't even have to go any further. There it is. Distribute here to here. 9x plus 18. Where's that at? Right there. Next one. Distribute. 6x minus 42. Right there is your answer. Okay, first you got to distribute. 7x minus 7 minus 2x plus 2. Because a negative and a negative became a positive. Do you see that? Okay, that was a tricky one. Combine this with this, we have 5x. Combine this with this, we have minus 5. There it is. Okay, this is just divide by 46, divide by 46, x equals 2162, 2162 divided by 46, so the answer is 47. X equals 47, okay? This one, sometimes you guys forget this. Let me write it over here to the side so you can see it better. We're dividing by 3, so now we're going to multiply. We're multiplying by 2, so now we're going to divide. That makes it cross out. We're using the reciprocal, so 3 over 2. Now you could go 36 over 2 because 12 times 3 is 36, and this has a 1, so it'd be 2 times 1. Or you could have cross cancel and got this, right? So the answer is x equals 18. One more. Boy, this was fast. So we have minus 5 minus 5. Negative 3x equals negative 12. Divide by negative 3. Divide by negative 3. X equals positive 4. Know your integers. Okay, that's everything. Be sure to have it done tomorrow. If you're watching this tomorrow, because I'm not letting you take the test, shame on you. You should have had it done. Okay, bye.